Hello everyone, today I'm working in a client's apartment where the task was to merge the kitchen with the living room and carry out a few additional improvements. First, I demolished the wall that separated the spaces. Next, I built a small partition near the entrance door to level out the area. To avoid changing the entire tile, I installed a mosaic at the junction, making the transition neat and seamless. On the ceiling, I ran hidden wiring and merged the kitchen ceiling with the living room, creating a smooth transition so that it's not noticeable. I also rewired the electrical system, plastered the walls, finished the surfaces, and painted everything as requested. The job is now complete, and the space feels unified, with the interior looking much more cohesive. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next projects.